A great time to do my work. I think that sounds right. K-A? No, that's B. What? My ink. It ran out. Well, that's not a big problem. Besides doing this work, I will just go to the shop and bring one more. One new one. Okay then. Let's do my work. That one's A. No, that one's B. Yes. It's not working. So what's the big problem? Actually, let's just do a bit more questions. Only answer. Oh, okay. It's fully out of ink. Nothing's working. Only a bit. 3 years later. Oh my god, it's done. Not even a bit of ink is left. Everyone, whoever answered this question is gonna get A+ in the next test. Ooh, that's a hard question. Okay, no, please, no, please, no. Ushia. Well, carbon dioxide, it's oxygen, dummy. Oh yeah. Everyone answered this question. Not you, Sriya. Not you, Ree. You have done like so many questions in one row. But I like that one. Sorry, but no. I guess that's called bad luck. Okay. This is the only last time. One video game and then dog exam. Now, let's start this chapter. Really? Tomorrow is going to be the biggest grand finale of the game. No, I'm not participating. Actually, nah. It's just a paper. It's not like such a big assignment that I have to learn it. Duh. No calling. Okay, finally I can say awesome. That was a great chapter. 7 billion years later. That was the best chapter ever. Actually, I just completed 1,747 books right now. We have to make it 100 billion. I don't care actually. Tomorrow I will just do the exam.